People working on construction sites are at high risk for sustaining injuries or damaging property. And construction companies face the prospect of downtime and financial loss if an unfortunate accident occurs. That's why contract works insurance is available for small, medium, large commercial, industrial and domestic builders, subcontractors and owner builders. Contract works insurance is an important part of your business toolkit and allows you to get on with the job with more confidence. But as all businesses are different, what cover is best for you? An experienced insurance broker can help you select the right insurance covering property damage, public liability, product liability, legal defences or expense costs, and existing structures. Contract works insurance helps to give you protection and peace of mind.